What's up, guys? Welcome to today's show. This is the Ursula. This is an end-to-end hardware encryption machine on breadboards. Okay, so it contains 3 different modules. There's a memory module with a ROM chip and an 8-bit shift register. Then there's a control module with a display and the Raspberry Pico. And finally there's a keyboard module. And in between there's the keyboard bus connecting the keyboard in a convenient way to the Raspberry Pico. In this series we're gonna build this machine step by step, module after module, and write all the software. So let's take her for a spin. It will ask you for a passphrase. So you can pick anything you want, and the machine will take that passphrase and turn it into an encryption key. Alright, so at this point you just enter your message, and then you press enter. And it's going to encrypt your message and print the output on the display. I can't spell. But for this to be really useful, we need to be able to export that encrypted text. So what you can do is you take one of these USB thumb drives and you plug it in here. And then you hit this transfer button. And now it has saved a regular text file on this thumbnail with the encrypted text. If the person has a machine like this, you can give him the thumb drive, and then he will just put it in. And make sure to flip the switch over from encryption to decryption. And then you just press enter. And it will decrypt the text. But what you really want to know is, what is this big red emergency button here? And what is this device, which is mounted on top of the ROM memory chip? In the next episode I will show you that, and we will also build the control module and write all the software for using the display. By the way, would you want me to start selling these kits with all the hardware components necessary for this project? Tell me down in the comments. If I get enough of a response, I will be able to take this to a distributor and go ahead with the plans. Hit the subscribe button and let's get started. Meanwhile, you can watch the prerequisites videos. And thank you for watching. Thanks for today.